The past few hours, Google joining Scottsdale-based GoDaddy in giving a leading neo-Nazi website the boot, forcing the Daily Stormer to move to another provider after shaming the victim killed in Virginia. GoDaddy tells ABC 15, quote, they value free speech, but they believe dailystormer.com crossed the line and encouraged and promoted violence.
Angry words boiling over into violence in Virginia, and we're also seeing an alarming trend right here in Arizona, a surge in reported hate crimes in several white supremacist groups active in our state. ABC 15's Melissa Blasius is live in Scottsdale tonight with what we need to know about hate speech in our community and also who's trying to stop this. Melissa.
Just this year, we saw swastikas painted on the mailbox of a Jewish family here in the Valley. And several years ago, we all remember those SB 1070 rallies at the state capitol. So here in the Valley, we are no stranger to hate crimes and hate groups. But this weekend, we saw a force for unity as people got together in harmony reacting to the Charlottesville attack. The Southern Poverty Law Center says that there are 18 hate groups active in our state, and the number of hate crimes being reported to the FBI is increasing from 192 in 2011 to 276 in 2015 here in Arizona.
We live in a country where all of us are allowed to express our opinions, but we also live in a country where we can be held accountable for our actions. And there is never a reason or excuse for violence that we witnessed in Charlottesville.
The Anti-Defamation League says that they try to curb the future of hate groups by making presentations at schools, trying to cut out bigotry and bias. Coming up at 6, new information that we're just getting in about what may be leading to this surge in hate groups that we're seeing in our nation, as well as what more can be done in order to stop it. Again, that's coming up at 6 o'clock. Live in Scottsdale, Melissa Blasius, ABC 15, Arizona.
Yeah, we know you got some unique perspectives. Melissa, thank you so much. Meantime, Governor Doug Ducey also condemning hate groups tonight, writing on Twitter, quote, I categorically 100% condemn neo-Nazi, KKK, Klan, race, and white supremacy groups and the violence and hate they preach. No place for it in Arizona or America.